In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Notion page with password. Quick heads up before we start. Notion doesn't currently support true password protection for individual pages. What we can do, and what most people mean by locking, is use Notion's lock page feature to prevent accidental edits to your content and layout. It's great for protecting important docs, wikis, and dashboards so they stay exactly the way you designed them. First, open Notion and select the page you want to protect. This can be any page, whether it's a simple note, a document with nested sections, or a database page. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to lock, not just the parent workspace or a higher level folder. If you're working with a team, consider choosing pages that serve as a source of truth, things like process guides, meeting templates, or published documentation, so they don't get changed by accident. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu. On desktop and web, it's the familiar pet icon at the upper right of your Notion window. If you don't see it right away, hover near the title area and it will appear. On mobile, the same menu is available at the top of the screen. This menu houses most page level options, so it's the control center for actions like exporting, duplicating, and, of course, locking. Now, click Lock Page. The moment you do, Notion will lock the page's content and structure. You'll notice that you can still open and read everything, but you won't be able to rearrange blocks, edit text, or change the layout until it's unlocked again. This helps prevent accidental keystrokes, drag and drop mishaps, or unintentional formatting changes. Comments and reactions typically still work, so collaboration continues without risking the integrity of the document. A few practical notes to set expectations. Locking a page doesn't change who can view it, and it doesn't add a password gate to the content. If your goal is to restrict access, use Notion's share and permissions settings to control who can view, comment, or edit. If you're working with databases, locking helps protect structure and views, but remember that lock is about preventing edits, not about access control. If you ever need to make updates, just return to the same three-dot menu and toggle the lock off. Make your changes and lock it again when you're done. That quick habit keeps your most important pages stable and trustworthy. That's it. Open the page, tap the three dots, and choose Lock Page. Simple, reliable, and a great way to keep your Notion workspace clean and safe from accidental edits.